Your phone is holding more than emails and apps. It's holding your attention hostage. Every swipe, every ping chips away at your peace. Watch closely, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to clear the noise, reclaim your calm, and feel lighter than you have in years. Your phone is always with you, always buzzing, always pulling. And most of the time, it steals more than attention. It steals calm, focus, even a little piece of your peace. And the ironic truth? You invited it in. Picture this. You pick up your phone for one quick thing. 45 minutes later, you look up, bewildered, wondering where the time went. That's not just distraction. That's chaos cleverly disguised as normal life. We tidy our homes, get our stuff in order, our closets, even prune friendships. But how often do we declutter our digital lives? Every notification, every unread message, every app vying for attention is a small weight pressing on your mind. Your digital life is a mirror of your inner world. Hundreds of unread emails, thousands of photos, memories you haven't processed. The clutter in your pocket reflects the clutter in your brain. Digital mess is emotional mess. Pause. Close your eyes. Imagine your phone as a room. Step inside. Is it calm, tidy, inviting, or messy, buzzing, crowded with things you don't need? Most of our digital rooms are a storm, and yet we still expect calm. Here's the truth. Digital decluttering isn't about perfection. It's about peace, about crafting a space that serves you instead of draining you. The hidden science of phone addiction. Here's something most people don't know. Your phone isn't just distracting you, it's rewiring your brain. Every notification triggers a tiny hit of dopamine, the same chemical that drives cravings, habits, even addictions. Over time, your brain starts seeking the buzz, the ping, the swipe. That restlessness you feel when your phone isn't in reach, that's your nervous system craving stimulation. The good news, digital decluttering doesn't just clean your screen, it helps your brain reset. Each app you delete, each notification you mute, each unnecessary message you archive trains your nervous system to find calm in the absence of constant stimulation. You're reclaiming your attention, focus, and emotional well-being. A common misconception about digital decluttering. Many people believe digital decluttering is about going minimalist, deleting apps, reducing numbers, but that's misleading. You could have only 10 apps on your phone and still feel overwhelmed if they constantly pull at your focus. Digital decluttering is not about what's on the screen. It's about what's in your mind. It's emotional work disguised as tech hygiene. Start with intention. Ask yourself, how do I want my digital life to feel? Calm, clear, free. When you define that, every choice, apps, emails, photos, becomes easier. Unsubscribe from newsletters you never read. Delete apps that no longer serve you. Archive conversations that carry no weight. Curate photos not to impress anyone, but to honor the memories that matter. Pause. Take a deep breath. Feel the possibilities of a lighter digital life. Here's a quick exercise. Pause this video. Open your phone. Delete one app that doesn't serve you. Take a deep breath. Feel that space, that small act. It's radical. Imagine someone juggling dozens of unread emails, multiple messaging apps, a phone that constantly lags. They feel suffocated, pulled in every direction. By starting small, 5 minutes a day, deleting one app, archiving one conversation, they begin to feel lighter, calmer, more present. Digital decluttering transforms not just devices, but emotional space. Digital clutter is emotional debt. Each file, notification, app carries weight. Ignoring it steals focus, energy, freedom. Another exercise: write down 3 things your phone reminds you to do that stress you out. Pick one. Delete it, archive it, unsubscribe. Feel that weight lift. Now, picture your digital world as a mirror. Does it reflect calm or chaos, focus or distraction, connection or anxiety? Every choice you make digitally teaches your brain what matters. Each deleted app, archived message, unsubscribed newsletter is therapy, a lesson in peace. We resist decluttering because of fear. Old messages, past photos, apps tied to old versions of ourselves, they feel like fragments of who we were. Yet, holding on to them keeps the past alive, pressing on our chest, even if it's just digital. Visualize this. Each notification is a pebble in a backpack. Every unread message, redundant app, extra email adds weight. Every act of decluttering removes a pebble. Shoulders lighten, breathing deepens. Digital decluttering isn't just cleaning a screen, it's lifting a heart. Think of someone who can't sleep because their phone buzzes all night. They try a simple ritual: phone in another room, a journal by the bed. One question: what can I release today? Over time, sleep improves, anxiety eases, presence grows. Clearing digital clutter creates space for life itself. This isn't minimalism, it's agency. Every app deleted, message archived, newsletter unsubscribed is a rebellion against chaos. You're saying, I am not a slave to noise, I am the curator of my mind. Pause. Reflect. What one digital item could you release today that's weighing on you? Delete it, archive it, let it go. Even the smallest action matters. The paradox: the clearer your digital world, the clearer your inner world. Space opens, calm arrives, focus returns. You reclaim your mind, energy, life. Visualize your phone as a river, overflowing, dragging you in every direction. Each decluttering step removes a log, a rock, slowing the current. Slowly the river calms. You can stand in it without being swept away. That's intentional digital decluttering. Control, presence, clarity. Tonight, take one step. Delete an app. Archive a conversation. Unsubscribe. Notice the space you create, not just on your device, but in your chest, in your mind, in the quiet between thoughts. Ask yourself, if I cleared just one piece of digital clutter tonight, what weight might lift? If this message helped you breathe deeper, think clearer, or feel more in control, we'd love to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Your story might be the spark someone else needs. And if this video resonated, please like, share, and subscribe to Clarity Quest. We're building a space for growth, healing, and honest transformation, one digital reset at a time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for feeling. And as always, keep showing up for yourself. We'll see you in the next one.